Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome, my dear friends, to a fresh episode of Inspiring Classrooms. I read this somewhere. Your password is like a toothbrush. Don't share it with anyone, and every 6 months keep renewing it. Okay, this is something not so great, I'm sure everybody knows, but if we have to get real valuable tips, we definitely have to contact our computer teacher. So come on, let us walk into the computer lab. Welcome to this episode of Inspiring Classroom. Sai Ram Kamakshi.
Sai Ram ma'am.
So before we go into the episode, I have to tell something about her because we have received a lot of positive comments about the editing work that is happening, and one person who belongs to this team is Kamakshi. She is a very silent girl who always sits behind the camera, and this entire episode, the audio has been done by her. So what will I do? I'll pull such people and make them sit in front of the camera. And I remember even as a student she used to be like this. She used to be a very quiet girl. But she used to do her work properly just as she is doing now also. So what is your say, Kamakshi?
First, thank you so much ma'am. It's my pleasure to be here ma'am because I'm a student of SVV. Then for everyone, school days would be a memories. But for me, God have given the opportunity to choose my career as a teacher and also to survey in my own school ma'am.
Wow, that is a very noble thought. In fact, I'm sure your parents are proud of you, but even I would like to feel that pride that my own student has come back and she's doing a commendable work here. But I forgot. For what purpose are you here? What is it that you would like to share with all of us? I know you're a good teacher, a computer teacher especially. So what is the thing that you're going to share today?
Actually, because of this pandemic situation, this year was full of online classes and all of us uses PPT. So what I thought, I would like to share some of the techniques to do good presentation ma'am.
Yeah, I think that's very, very important because whether you're a small child or a working professional, all of us make use of presentations. Even I know to make a PPT, but definitely I would like to get the inputs from you who's a real good expert. So come on, please share some valuable tips for us.
Yes ma'am.
Now let us learn how to create a simple PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Go to Start menu, select All Program, then go to Microsoft Office and click Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation 2010. Now a new PowerPoint presentation window is open. After opening the presentation, save the presentation by giving a file name. The command to save the file is File, Save, then choose the destination. I'm going to choose the desktop. Type the file name as our national symbols, then click Save button. Now have saved the presentation as
Our national symbols.
The second step is to create a number of slides. The command for inserting the slides is click Home tab, then click New Slide option. Now I have inserted 3 more slides. The third step is choose the background design. The command is click Design tab, then choose the required design option. Now a beautiful background is applied to all the slides. The fourth step is to present your content. The first slide will be an introduction page. By clicking Add to Title, we can type our title. So here our title is
Our national symbols.
Similarly, by clicking Add to Subtitle, we can type our name, subject and class. In the second slide, type the title as Our National Bird and format the font style and color using Font and Font Color option, which is in Home tab. To align the text in center, click Center Alignment, which is in Home tab. Now enter your sentence as Peacock is our national bird in the text box. The next step is inserting a picture. For inserting a picture in your slide, we have 2 options. One is choose from Drive or choose from Clipart. I'm going to choose Clipart option. Here, click Insert tab, then select Clipart option, then type Peacock in Search for tab and click OK. Select the required picture from the Clipart tab and drag it into your slide. The next step is giving animation to the picture. Select the peacock picture and click Animation tab and choose your desired animation. Now, animation is given to your picture. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining slides. And the last step is present your slide in slideshow mode. For that, click Slideshow tab, then choose from Beginning option or use shortcut key F5. Now, your PowerPoint presentation is in slideshow mode. For displaying the next slide, press Enter or use single click from your mouse. If there is any extra slide, you can delete it by selecting the particular slide, then choose right click option and choose delete slide option or press delete button in the keyboard. I hope everyone understood how to make a beautiful and simple presentation using Microsoft Office. So implement this idea in your project and explore your creativity.
Kamakshi, all your tips were really very pertinent and very useful. I'm very happy the way you shared all this. But yeah, we have to tell value for whatever it may be. Even if you're doing a presentation, there has to be some value that we can correlate with it. Tell the very short and sweet value, okay?
Sure, ma'am. The value is just we have inserted and deleted some slides whenever it need. Let input positive thoughts and eliminate negative thoughts so that our life will be beautiful and colorful like the presentation we saw.
Yeah, that was very cute. Definitely. There is a whole gamut of things in this world and it is left to each one of us to choose the best, isn't it? Wherever there are roses, there are thorns also. So it is our mind whether we take the rose or we grumble about the thorn. That was a very nice thought that you've given us. I'm sure many people out there must be getting a lot more ideas as to the value that can be incorporated along with this particular one. But it was very nice of her to think, even for a PPT note, to tell a value. That was really nice. So let us wind up this vibrant and value-based classroom session by reminding you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell button for notification. Stay tuned, my dear friends. Sayonara.